Hello and welcome to the Puppet Interview Part 5. So today, we are going to interview one of the puppets that I'm going to show you, and hope you enjoy it. So this is going to be Part 5. I'll be right back. And here he is, the puppet that is a funky Boyz. That's what he's wearing, 'cause he loves to get funky. So, for the record, can I have your name, please? Hello, my name is Larry Clark, and I'm the Funky Boyz, and it's nice meeting you all. So, Larry Clark, tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you like to do, and what do you like to do in your life? Well, I like to, hang around with my friends, and especially my buddy James Corner, who is green and he's friendly, and I live with him at our penthouse apartment. Okay, and what else do you like to do? Let's see, well, I love to rap, and I love to dance, and I love to sing. I also love to listen to my radio and also CD players. That's how I wanted to be a Funky Boyz. Very good. And anything else you did? Oh, let's see, well, I also love to exercise, like going for a bike ride, and I love to lift weights. That is so cool, man. Really cool. Alright, well, thank you for sharing with us, Larry, and I really appreciate it. And just give us one more thing you like to do in your life. Alright, let's see, oh, I love to go out to dinner with my friends, and also lunch, especially my buddy James Corner, the green friend of mine that is a puppet, where I live with him at my penthouse. Well, that sounds fascinating, and great job doing a great interview, and you're also a good person and a great friend. Why, thank you so much. I appreciated that, Justin. Well, thank you for coming to an interview, and I hope to see you again soon. My pleasure. Alright. Have a lovely day, sir. You're free to go now. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. So, Larry Clark, the Funky Boyz, is so cool. And he loves to rap. And he's also a great dancer and a singer, because he loves to be cool. I like him. He's a nice guy. And he's a good friend, and he'll have a wonderful day, because today it's such a wonderful, beautiful, and lovely sunny day outside. Anyway, that's gonna be for today, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the day, and go out with a nice fresh air. It's a sunny day out. So, I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you again soon with another video of the puppet impressions. So, peace out.